This week we have lots of exciting workshops lined up for you, including our first weekend catch-up sessions for those of you who are perhaps working full-time, juggling parenting or caring responsibilities, or perhaps your schedule means that you prefer to work on a weekend. This week's highlights include tackling perfectionism. It doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to be done. So if you're someone who really is struggling to get that thesis written, to get it finished, why not come along to our Tackling Perfectionism session and hear with others about how you can make sure that your thesis is finished and submitted. And remember, the final thesis that you submit is just the final draft. Your examiners will want to read and discuss with you your research. It doesn't need to be perfect when you submit. We just want to help you get that thesis submitted. Other highlights for this week include maths anxiety and also time management. So if either of these particularly interest you, don't forget to sign up via SkillsForge. We look forward to seeing you, welcoming old friends and new faces.